Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, recently I was asked by a friend, actually the friend who helps edit these videos, for me to talk about what I see with education and job opportunities and what people are actually making doing different things. And I will actually tell you that myself personally, I went to college, I got an undergrad in biochemistry, and then I went on from there. And largely I feel cheated. I don't feel cheated by any of the individual professors, but I feel cheated in the amount of student loan that I have and the fact that I have not been able to find any gainful employment in what I paid for. In fact, it doesn't really exist, and it hasn't really existed for more than a decade. And I think that's really common for a lot. See a link for Don't Be a Lawyer, great, hilarious music video you should check out. But really what I want to push is ideas of other things people can do. And I do think that getting a real good liberal arts education can help you understand how we got here and help you contemplate and preserve your freedom as a free person here in the United States. However, I don't think that it should be seen largely as a way of even ever getting an income out of it. And so what are a couple other really good directions? Well, the trades are very strong in your ability to make income for you, yourself, and your family for the long term, and so is any type of management, and so is sales. And really, other than service, those really are all of the industry types you could go into. So service, I'm talking about people who help people with nails, haircuts, professional makeup, all the way through nurses and doctors. That's all service industry. And you can make a lot with some of those, and with the ones that don't tend to make a lot, you can make a lot by being very, very good. However, the bottom rung of service industry, the example a lot of people put out is, fast food workers. It's very hard for you to distinguish yourself even by being very good. Now, you can do it if you want to. But in the other industries like sales, everything from knocking on people's doors to building relationships type sales to B2B sales, if you are exceptionally hardworking, you can do exceptionally well. And it's not just about meeting people, it's about knowing what kind of solutions exist for those people. Then there is trades, and trades is skilled labor. And there is a bunch of different skilled labor and a bunch of different trades. Most people are surprised when I tell them that just like an okay union carpenter makes 90 grand a year and has as much work as he could ever want to do, at least as I've seen it recently. And electricians, plumbers make more. A good carpenter, by the way, especially one who owns his own business, it's not that outrageous for them to make like $400,000 a year. Just so you have an idea. And there are some like more obscure trades people haven't heard of. If you can Google the Local 36, I believe they're the Insulators Union. They have a cool symbol. It's like a pipe with a fire under it with a lizard on it. I love that old school stuff. And I believe that they advertise that they're jurymen minimum pay, and juryman I think takes about 4 years to become in their union, is something like $80 an hour. And that's astounding to a lot of people who paid a ton of money and are working a low-end, menial, white-collar service job now, and making a lot more money than that. Or like me, went to management sales side of things. And there is management, there is some value in taking management and business classes. But for the large part, I really feel like I would certainly be richer. My family would certainly be way richer if I had done training that was a lot shorter and in the direction that I actually went, as opposed to doing the whole liberal arts and sciences thing. And I think I did a lot better than a lot of other people. So anyways, those are sort of my basic thoughts of directions that you should seek. I don't like this idea of this funnel where everybody goes to college. I don't think it serves a lot of people well. You can really tell that by the dropout rate. I was enough of a knucklehead that I didn't drop out after the first or second years. So because of that, I have 2-3 times more loans than the people who did. And meanwhile, I have some friends who went into the trades, skipped colleges. They're doing very well. Anyways, John Wolf, if you liked this, like, share, and subscribe. If you want information about home loans refinancing, hit me up. That's what I do to feed my family. Have an awesome day. Bye.